Ever wondered what happens when you drink turmeric lemon water daily? It's a simple question with a fascinating answer. Turmeric lemon water, a natural elixir brimming with potential health benefits, is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy, amalgamating the zest of lemon with the earthy notes of turmeric, creating a concoction that's both healthy and delicious. Stay tuned as we dive into the steps to prepare this magical drink and explore its health benefits. Making turmeric lemon water is as easy as 1, 2, 3, so let's dive right into the process of creating this health-boosting drink. The first step is to bring a cup of water to a boil. You can do this on a stovetop or in an electric kettle, whatever suits your convenience. Once the water is boiling, lower the heat to a simmer. Next, it's time to add the star of our drink, the turmeric. Scoop up a teaspoon of turmeric powder and sprinkle it into the hot water. This golden spice not only gives our drink its vibrant color, but also loads it with antioxidants. After adding the turmeric, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows the water to absorb all the goodness of the turmeric, enhancing the health benefits of our drink. Now, let's add some tang to our turmeric concoction. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze in the juice of 1/2. This not only gives our drink a refreshing taste, but also provides us with a good dose of vitamin C. Finally, if you prefer your drink a little sweet, you can add honey or stevia. This step is entirely optional and based on your taste. If you're using honey, make sure it's raw and organic for the best health benefits. Stir everything well to ensure the flavors combine beautifully, and voila! Your turmeric lemon water is ready. And there you have it. Your glass of health-boosting turmeric lemon water is ready to be enjoyed. Now that we know how to prepare turmeric lemon water, let's explore why you should drink it daily. This golden-hued concoction has a wealth of health benefits, thanks to the powerful ingredients that make it up. Firstly, turmeric, a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. This gives turmeric lemon water the power to fight inflammation in the body, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Then, there's the lemon. Packed with vitamin C, it not only gives this drink a refreshing tang, but also boosts your immunity. The vitamin C in lemon helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against diseases. Digestion is another area where turmeric lemon water excels. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which helps in digestion. Lemon, on the other hand, encourages the production of digestive juices. So this drink is a great way to kickstart your digestive system first thing in the morning. Next up, we've got skin health. Both turmeric and lemon are known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants fight off free radicals that cause skin damage. Regular consumption of this drink can lead to healthier, glowing skin. What's more, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, turmeric lemon water might be your new best friend. The curcumin in turmeric has been linked to weight loss, while lemon is known for its ability to aid in digestion and speed up metabolism. Turmeric lemon water also acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps cleanse the liver and flush toxins from the body. Plus, the combination of turmeric and lemon is heart-friendly. It helps maintain a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and preventing blood clots. Clearly, a cup of turmeric lemon water daily does more than just quench your thirst. It boosts your health in myriad ways. So, are you ready to add a cup of turmeric lemon water to your daily routine? Just mix turmeric and lemon in warm water. Experience the benefits: boosted immunity, improved digestion, and glowing skin. Remember, good health is just a cup away with turmeric lemon water. Cheers to a healthier you.